is a personal commitment. Commit personally with something you can do. Hello, my friend. How to end my presentation. How to end your speech. 3 ideas that work very, very well. The first, call to action. You have explained something inspiring. You have shown your idea. Why not calling for action? Why not turning this idea into practice? Second strategy to end your speech, your presentation well, is a personal commitment. Commit personally with something you can do. You have talked about important issues. To end your speech, you can commit personally to something related to what you just talked about. Dale Carnegie says, the close of a speech is really its most strategic element. What is said last is likely to be remembered longest. Plan your ending carefully. Rehearse. Know almost word for word how you are going to close. Summarize. Restate. Outline briefly the main points you have covered. Appeal for action. And the last idea to close your speech is talking about values, vision, principles. Rita Pearson, a woman that has already passed away, once gave a presentation about education, and she ended saying, teaching and learning should bring joy. How powerful this world would be if our kids were not afraid of taking risks, were not afraid of thinking. It would be amazing if they could count with a mentor. Is this task hard? You can bet it is. You can bet it all. But impossible? No. This is something we can do. We are educators. We were born to make the difference. Thank you very much. She was talking about dreams, about values, about principles. Which strategy would you use in your speech? Call to action, personal commitment, or values? Comment here. I want to read how you will end your presentation. Thank you very much. I am Felipe Gibi. See you next class. Which clothes should I wear for my presentation, for my speech?